Today's episode is 27's reaction to 10's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 52's snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wagmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 27. I'm going to do a reaction video on 10's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but this sounds more humiliating than 92 snore. Anyways, enjoy the reaction.
You just want me snore like number block 52. You know I don't want to get recorded by boys.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep tight.
Oh my gosh, that's making me uncomfortable. Thank goodness this video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 111.